Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you where you can get your sound effects instantly. The site's name is literally myinstants, and they have this crazy vast collections of sound buttons and memes, and they also have a user-friendly interface. As a research said, people like to watch clips and videos that have better sounding rather than to see great visuals, and this site can help you create content using free royalty sound memes and sound buttons like this one. Oh, I can do this all day long, and they have the craziest things. Listen to this one. Listen to this one. Who is that? Gonna get the door? I fell for this like 2 times, 3 times. You can't believe this. Okay, they also have a user-friendly interface, and they have a massive library, and besides that they have great categorizations. You can see here that they have memes, which is most popular one. They have movies, they have music, they have games, and at last they have anime and manga. That is impressive, and they have this search thing that is really functional, and you can share all of this to your Insta or download it to use for offline usage. It's a really easy to use website. You can use the app, of course, but for using the website you just need to search myinstants on Google and you're in the website. You don't even need to log in, and that's really impressive. And I already told you about the popular categories. I hope you can use this website well as I did, and others will do. And let me show you how to download from this website. You can, let me get a good, like this one. Oh no, TikTok song. Okay, just click it. You go to another page. You can check the sound by clicking on the button. Okay, that's correct. That's the one I want. And here we have download here, and you can download it for free on your device, which is really easy. This website is really useful, and you can use this website anywhere, anytime, and get your sound effects instantly. Now please make sure to subscribe and like this video, and if you really like the video, please comment. And did I say subscribe? Thank you. I look forward to doing more videos with you guys. Thank you.